Hello, today we're going to be opening up a Champions Path Spikemuth Gym pin collection box. And it's just a quick video because there's only 3 packs in the box and the promo card as well as the pin. I do actually have the other pin collection boxes from the series, so those will be on the channel as well shortly. First off, let's have a look at the promo card that comes with it. So it's just a galarian obstagoon promo card. And then there's also the pin. Just the 3 packs. And the promo card. Or the code card rather. So it looks like the code card's reversed in this. So there's the code card. 1, 2, 3, front, and the energy. So starting off with a Russian phone, Great Ball, Absol, Potion, Rockruff, Hatiana, Trubbish, Nickit, Suspicious Freakin', and a Hollow Altaria. Very nice card to start off. There's a lot of nice cards in the set. I think a lot of people want to go and get like the Charizard VMAX Rainbow Rare or one of the Rainbow Rare full art trainers such as Piers or Kabu. Yeah, I wouldn't mind any of them. There's also the Charizard V, which is the like shiny sort of one. The black shiny from like the games. So there's the code card for this one. And 1, 2, 3. And the energy. Starting off with Beedrill, Machoke, Rotten Bike, Cavana, Kakuna, Weedle, Pokeball, Sizzlipede, and just a reverse Absol, and a hollow Professor's Research card. Nice card too. So just the final pack for this. The code. The energy. I don't actually know if you always guaranteed a hollow in this set, because I think in some of them you are. So I don't know if I'm getting lucky with these or not. So we're going to be starting off with Great Ball, Absol, Russian Phone, Roly-Coly, Scraggy, Galarian Linoon, Weedle, a Ekans, a reverse Arbok, and a Eldegoss V card. Very nice. So if you're not guaranteed a hollow, this pin collection box is actually really good in terms of like rarities. So so a lot of nice pulls in this actually. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned to the next unboxings. Like I said, there's more pin collections and stuff to come. I also have the premium collection for Marnie, show this here. And also the this Elite Trainer box from Sun and Moon. So yeah, so stay tuned for them. They should be up. I'm probably going to try and get one up on Sunday, and then a couple throughout next week as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. See ya.